Hey guys, it's Bruce. Welcome to Courses podcast. And what we're going to be doing today is continuing on with our domain by domain, section by section breakdown of the CompTIA Sec AI Plus. And before I begin, just let me set this thing up for you. I've been doing cybersecurity for a very long time. And what I decided to do many years ago is to help other people get into this field because it's been super helpful to me. It's allowed me to travel the world, it's allowed me to take care of my family, it's allowed me to set up other things in life. So anybody who's willing to listen, anybody who's interested in this career path, this is for you. And what I started doing is getting into some of the frontier stuff, which is AI security, because it's going to be a part of everything we do here real soon. Already beginning very quickly. This growth is exponential. So I just thought I'll teach what I'm actually doing in real time. And that's what I'm doing. So I currently have a position where we have